Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to talk about depression. This is one of the serious point to be talked because probably 8 lakh people yearly in this world commit suicide just because of this depression. So please watch my video till the end. It's my kind request to you because I am going to discuss 4 main points why people go in depression and why they feel like committing suicide, and I will also give you some solution for this. I'm not any depression expert, but according to my experience, I'm going to give you some solutions. Hope it will be working for you. So usually there are 4 points people go in depression. Point number 1, exam failure. Number 2, personal and financial problems. Number 3, career insecurities. And number 4, getting insulted by someone. So for number 1, let me tell you guys, one exam can't decide your future. So many students fail in exam and after that they think that their life is over. It's not like that. Even if you're getting 90% in any of your exam, your life is not succeeded. Even there are so many successful people in this world who have failed severe times in their exam, but today they are at the top of the world. The reason is that actually they never give up in their life. To pass their exam, they have find some or the other solution for this. Not any wrong solution, but actually if you're failing in any exam, you should always try to take help of your friend who is more scholar than you, or either you should take help of any coaching classes, online coaching classes. There are so many online coaching classes on YouTube, you can see. But suicide is not the solution for this. So never suicide just because you're getting failed in your exam. So number 2, personal problems. Actually everyone have personal problems. Mostly people have breakups, relationship problems. Guys, just because you broke up and that person doesn't want to come in your life again, that doesn't mean you should end your life. You can't force anyone to stay in your life actually. And even another reason is for that is actually what happens if you like someone and that person doesn't like you back. People go in depression and they feel like there is nothing in this world. Guys, you can't force anyone to love you actually, and doesn't matter. It doesn't mean that if that person doesn't love you back, there is no one in this world. Actually, remember one thing: there are so many birds in the sky. World is so big. There will be someone who will love you. Okay, so never commit suicide for this reason. Number 3, financial problems. The richest person in the world also have financial problems. So don't think that if I am financially weak or if I have financial problems, my loans are not getting paid, I am not getting paid according to my job. Guys, you should always take examples of people who are financially low from you, because even in this world there are so many people who don't get proper food to eat, proper shelter to live, proper clothes to wear. And if you have these 3 basic needs, then your life is amazing. Guys, you should not worry about that. Doesn't mean that you should stop working hard, but actually you should not go in depression and you should not feel like committing suicide. Guys, remember one thing: your life is a race. You should always keep fighting in that race. Once you give up, once you are committed suicide, then that's over. You are not a loser until you give up getting insulted by someone. Guys, if you want to be successful in your life, you should keep habit of such peoples in your life. There will be such people who will throw stones on you, but you have to turn that stones into milestones. There is a quote in English: when people throw stones on you, you turn them to milestones. Actually, these peoples are your well-wishers. It is always said that your haters are your well-wishers. I have heard from so many successful people that actually these negative people should be in your life because they always motivate you to go up. The thing which I have not seen in my dream, actually these people force me to do that, said by one successful man. And it's actually reality, guys. When you try to go up, there are some people in our society who try to throw hate on you, but you should always take that hate in a positive way. Bill Gates, the richest man in the world, in an interview he said, "I failed in some subjects in my exam, but my friend passed in all. Now he's an engineer in Microsoft and I am the owner of Microsoft." So guys, that doesn't mean everyone is Bill Gates, but this is one of the best example for you because you never know what will happen in your life. One exam can't decide your future. So always keep working hard, always keep believing in yourself. So for personal problems, as I have said to you before, that there are so many birds in the sky. You can't force anyone to love you, or you can't force anyone to stay in your life. If that person really loves you, that person will never let you go. So you should always keep moving on. And remember one thing: there will be someone in this world. God has met someone who will love you without any condition, or that person will love you at any condition. So don't worry about it. Once a footballer said, "I cried just because I was not having shoes to play football with my friends. But one day I saw a man with no feet. Then I realized how lucky I was." So you should take such examples for your financial problems. So for career insecurities, guys, everyone is running behind success, but success is not an easy step. You should always keep fighting for your success. Remember one thing: success is a journey, it's not a destination. And in this journey, there will be so many ups and downs for you. Rahul Dravid: I have batted 604 times for India. I didn't cross 50 runs 410 times out of those innings. I failed lot more times than I succeeded. I am a more failure than a success. So I am quite qualified to talk about failure. Rahul Dravid. Guys, Rahul Dravid is one of the wall of Indian cricket team. He is known as the wall of Indian cricket team. So remember one thing. Also, success is a journey. It's not a destination. Michael Jonathan Jordan, one of the best basketball player. Michael Jonathan Jordan: I have missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I have lost almost 300 games in my life. 26 times I have been trusted to take the game winning shot and I missed. I have failed over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed. Guys, Michael Jordan is one of the best basketball player in the world. You think half of his life he has failed. So that is why he is successful today. Guys, you should always take this kind of example for your success. So anyone insults you or you had fight with anyone, keep anyone of your friend with whom you can share everything, because by sharing, that burden and that stress get less. Okay, for example, I am a cricketer. I am playing a T20 cricket match. Okay, so in 120 balls I have to chase 200 runs. I can't chase it alone. Okay, I need anyone of my partner who will stand on a non-strike and support me to chase that target. Or there should be 3 to 4 batsmen ready in the pavilion who are ready to chase that target. So sometime if I chase that target, no loss. So still some of my partner or any of my partner is standing on non-strike and he is also scoring runs from the other end. I can't chase that target alone. And all-round solution for your depression: involve yourself in physical activities. Do gym workout. If gym is close, do home workout. Do swimming. Meditate. Meditation makes your mind stress-free and make your minds to focus on your goal or your career. So guys, what happened when you do physical activities like workout or exercise or swimming? What happened? Your mind forgets about the previous pain and it focuses on the current pain which your body is going through. So what happened? That pain gets lesser. Let the burden of that 200 runs target be taken by all your teammates. Don't take it alone. So keep sharing and keep caring. So if you like the video, my motive of making this video is completed. I don't need anything from you. And remember one thing: if you don't have haters, then you're doing something ordinary.